How do you define success? Is it measured by money, property, or what we have? Or is it measured by what satisfies us and give us peace? In this day, parang automatic na kapag may pera ka, may bahay ka, may kotse ka, successful ka na. Oo, hindi natin pwedeng i-deny na mahalaga ang financial stability. Nakakatulong ang pera para mabuhay ng maayos at mabigyan ng comfort ng family. Pero kung doon lang natin ibibase ang definition ng success, parang may kulang. May mga taong financially stable, pero emotionally drained. May mga taong simple ang buhay, pero contented at masaya. Siguro ang totoong success hindi lang about what you have, kundi who you are becoming habang inaabot mo ang goals mo. Success para sa akin is waking up excited about what you do, having peace kahit hindi na perfect ang situation, growing into a better version of yourself, being able to help others kahit sa maliit na paraan, feeling fulfilled, not just impressed by your own achievements. Hindi masama ang mangarap ng malaki, hindi mali ang gustong yumaman, pero sana habang hinahabol natin yung more, hindi natin nakakalimutan yung meaning. Kasi minsan, sobrang focus tayo sa destination na nakakalimutan natin i-enjoy ang journey. Ang success ay personal. It is not a competition, hindi ito paramihan ng achievements, hindi ito padamihan ng followers o titles. Ikaw ang mag-define kung ano ang successful para sa'yo. Kung para sa'yo ang success ay peace of mind, stable na pamilya, financial freedom, lahat yan valid. The most important, align ka sa values mo at hindi ka nabubuhay para lang ma-meet ang expectations ng iba. So kung saan ka man ngayon, starting a small, rebuilding, or still figuring things out, remember, you are not behind. Hindi ka nahuhuli sa buhay. Iba-iba tayo ng timeline. Success, not a race. It's a journey of growth, purpose, and self-discovery. At the end of the day, the real flex is not what you show online. It's the quiet peace you feel within. So keep going. Define success in a way that gives you peace, not pressure.